Hi, I'm Abhijit Gore, Head of Sales for Home and Commercial segment at SMA Solar India.
So what are the core services offered by SMA and how do they contribute to the greater energy independence?
So SMA Group, a pioneer in photovoltaic and storage system technology, is shaping the future of renewable energy with top-notch equipment, smart management and stellar service. We provide home, commercial and utility solutions for the industry. Our cutting-edge technology is backed by around 1600 patents, and we have around a team of 4,000 employees. And also, with this technology, we have reduced 63 tons of carbon dioxide annually, which means like we are also ranked top 10 in the global sustainable companies right now.
So how are exhibitions like Intersolar Expo help the industry?
See, Intersolar exhibition is the best exhibition for the customer to interact directly with the manufacturers, because here you can see like there are many manufacturers who have the stall and booths, and you can directly interact with the management committee, with the engineers, with the sales people, everyone. Like the customers, they can meet everyone at the booth. So this is the speciality of this Intersolar exhibition, where the customers, they can directly interact with the manufacturer.
So what range of products and solution SMA is showcasing at the Intersolar Expo?
So we are showcasing two products. One is CNI product, which is 110 kilowatt inverter. Second is utility product, which is 180 kilowatt inverter. So 110 kilowatt inverter is right now our highest selling inverter. The product has integrated features like state fixed technology, then multiple MPPTs, around 12 MPPTs, then AFCI features. So with this kind of features, the inverter is right now the most selling inverter for SMA in India.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to interview you.
Thank you.
you.